everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all the YouTube magic out there. So in this video, I'll be talking about plenty of magic on YouTube, plenty of videos you can actually do to make your videos go viral as a small channel. Get that 1k subby and 400 watch time, and let's get the channel monetized, guys. Let's get going. So the 20 videos ideas that I'll be saying, the first video idea is story time, guys. Story time. Let me relax, stretch my legs. Story time is something that's been going on for YouTube for a while now. And story times, if you do have interesting stories about your life experiences that you've had, whatever has gone on in your life, good, bad, interesting stories, have personality, character attached to your story, and boom, you will get a lot of people following you. And if people like your video, your videos can actually be a story. Story time videos up and forth. Like, do you guys know Hey Paris? She started with story times and I love her channel till today. Yeah, so pranks, that's the second one. Pranks, basically we all know pranks are always on YouTube, so many fake pranks. So guys, if you're doing prank videos, make sure your videos are super duper authentic and natural and not forged or rehearsed, because we can tell, we the viewers can tell if your videos are actually fake pranks don't get you nowhere. Real pranks makes exciting or overwhelming shockness. When you prank me and I'm not aware of it, when I find out, like, oh my days, I will think it's real and make this video go viral because of the person's authenticity of showing how they didn't know the prank was real. So basically, let's go on to the third one, which is room or house apartment tour. Room or house apartment tour, basically show your flat around, show everyone your flat, and yeah, show everyone your flat. And videos like that, people like to see how people decorate their flat, how beautiful people's flats, houses or apartments are. So videos like that could get your YouTube channel blown. And the fourth will be boyfriend / girlfriend or husband and wife tag. You guys know about these videos out there, boyfriend tag, girlfriend tag. Like, do yours, make yours authentic, make yours about you, have personality, put it in there. It will just basically skyrocket on YouTube and it will go viral. And I guarantee you everything that your videos will go viral and you get a lot of subscribers and it will help your channel grow. The fifth is basically pamper day. Talk about experiences that you've had, and basically like going to the spa, taking your camera along with you and showing your subscribers or your viewers how you pamper yourself. Any pamper you basically that you like, show it on YouTube, record it. If you're going to have your first facial, whether you're going to have a massage, whatever, pamper yourself, show it on YouTube, and I guarantee you viewers will watch it and your videos will go viral. The sixth will be wig or braid tutorial. We all know about these, how to make a wig, how to make braids. Videos like that go viral on YouTube in the beauty community. So if you are talented like that, you can also do that. I will add makeup tutorials to it as long as the wig. This is in the beauty community. Those videos go viral. I know there are millions of videos out there like that, but make yours authentic, make yours about you, and I can guarantee you everything that your videos will skyrocket, go viral, because I do that all the time. Seventh will be experience. Example, your first time experience of getting a tattoo, skydiving, going to the zoo, like your first experience of exciting things. Show it on YouTube, make a video about it, and that could help your channel blow too. This eight will be sibling tag. Those of you that have sisters, brothers, if you don't, cousins, whatever, make sibling tags, guys. Research about the sibling tag videos on YouTube, have an idea, make it authentic, make it about you and your videos. I can guarantee you will skyrocket as well. The 10th will be skincare routine, guys. Skincare routine, we all see that on YouTube. If you've got beautiful glowy shiny skin and you use natural herbs, nothing artificial or telling your viewers to go and buy things that are too expensive, like just show the basic skincare routines out there. That's what people like, especially college students or university students, guys. And if it's something that works on oily skin or dry skin and makes your skin look natural and glowy and also helps prevent acne, guys, if it helps them, trust me, you could be the next skin therapist. So yeah, make videos like that, skincare routine on YouTube, and I can guarantee you your videos will go viral. The 11th will be what's on my iPhone, what's on my Android. Basically go on your phone, show what's on there, research about videos like that on YouTube, and I can guarantee you that will help your channel grow as well. The next will be wash day routine. For those of you that likes to wash their hair, especially the curly hair girls, they go in the bath, stand there, wear their swimming costume in the bath and show how they wash their hair or how they wash their body. Watch their routine. Don't show your nakedness. Make sure you're wearing a swimming costume, cover yourself up, and videos like that I can guarantee you will go viral as well. Next will be clean routine, especially when your house is untidy and you go about showing how you clean your apartment apartment, and after from this to that, like when your apartment was not looking right, then all of a sudden your apartment looks sparkling clean and everything is on point. Videos like that goes viral as well. So the next video will be the 14th video, which is reaction video. Reaction videos are when you go on YouTube and react to videos that you've seen online. Maybe someone made a brand new song, you do a reaction about it. Videos like that go viral as well on YouTube. Research about it, reaction videos help as well. Next will be mukbangs or ASMR. Mukbangs and ASMR, I am into watching ASMR. So first of all, mukbangs are when people have a large platter of food in front of them and they eat everything and they talk while they're eating. And trust me guys, most of these people are skinny. They eat so much every day and they stay skinny. So it's like sort of food show. Yeah, videos like that are popping on YouTube. Make yours authentic, make them about you. ASMR video is basically the same, but not necessarily a large sum of food, just a plate of food. Make sure you've got a special mic because ASMR takes special mics. The mics basically take the sound of the videos, and guys, people like to listen to weird stuff. Like I do listen to ASMR videos all day, all night, every day or every other day. So yeah, videos like that can go viral, especially if you have a very good camera, good mic. Make your videos authentic. I can guarantee you, if you've got personality, your videos will be liked by a lot of people and it will help grow your YouTube channel. The next will be boyfriend or husband does my makeup, or boyfriend husband you do your makeup instead of them doing your makeup. I think boyfriend husband does my makeup is a very, very good video. If they can't do it, you can do your own makeup. And you know, when your husband or your boyfriend does a voiceover on your makeup telling viewers what they think you're doing, that is funny as well. Or when they make you up and you look like a clown. Yes guys, try that as well. The next will be college night routine. College night routines, guys, when you're in college or university, show your night routines. Research about videos like that on YouTube, and I can guarantee you that will help grow your YouTube channel as well. And how to deal with fake friends. How to deal with fake friends. Make videos like that on YouTube. If you've had experiences, or if you don't have experiences, or you know how to deal with it, make videos like that. As trust me, a lot of people have fake friends out here in this world that they don't know how to deal with it, and you helping them out will make your videos go skyrocketing as well. So the last will be how to get a job or an interview basically. So guys, if you are good, if you're not good, don't make videos like that. If you're good at getting interviews, like my boyfriend is extremely good at getting interviews, so I always tell him, make videos like that on YouTube. If you're good, make sure you teach people step by step. You're helping a lot of people. Videos like that will help a lot of viewers, and if your videos go viral and people want you to be doing more videos like that, then maybe you can concentrate on that part of filming. So guys, hope these 20 ideas I've given you helped, or you find it interesting. Guys, give it a go, give it a try at least 5 of each of these that I've said. It would definitely help your YouTube channel skyrocket and make your channel go viral, especially for you to get that 1K. Hope you viewers enjoyed this magic and making your videos go viral on YouTube. I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed. Bye bye.